we have different business models, and in this particular PPT we will learn business model based on functionality. Functionality means what is the major function of particular company. Accordingly, we will decide e-business model. For example, the main function of Facebook company is provide a platform for the community development, basically community communication, right? So that the public in the community, they can share their views, they can share their images. One platform is provided by the Facebook company. So as their function is related to community, we will categorize Facebook company under community model, right? So in this way, as per the function of company, we will categorize them under the different categories, right? So the first model we have, that is the merchant model. So the word merchant means what? Buying and selling of the things, right? One of the most common e-business model we have, that is the merchant model. Basically, if we consider Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Snapdeal, all these companies are following the merchant model because their main objective is to provide one platform where one seller can sell the product to final customer. This is which model? Merchant model. Let's go through all the given points. First is involve business selling their goods as well as service using IT to the customer on the internet. So what the company will do under the merchant model, or you can say those companies who are following the merchant model, what they will do, they will sell their goods as well as they can provide services also. Like we have Oyo is the one of the company, and that is providing the services. Another good example we can take Urban Club. So that is what? That is providing direct services to their final customer, right? But major role is of the IT, internet. That is why it is known as the e-business, electronic business, where company is specifically using internet to provide services and sell the goods to final customers. The type of company in this category are, we can further categorize merchant model into number of categories. Like first we have, that is virtual merchants. Virtual merchant means it is pure store, like they organized their website in such a manner as the mall or the different shops manage their place, right? You will have different segments on Amazon, you will have different segments on the Myntra. So what they are doing? Virtual basically means when anybody show you photo or any image of the product. So what the Amazon is doing? Amazon is just showing the product of their, showing the image of their product. So that is under the category of virtual merchant, right? Next is the catalog merchant. Catalog basically means when another company is showing the price of their service or the product. Turkish airline place order using phone or email. Make my trip, use app or the website. So observe the websites like Make My Trip or the Turkish Airlines, what they are doing, as they are providing the services. So they cannot display the image of their service, right? What they can do, they can just give you information that we are available here, we will provide you services, you can contact to us as per your requirement, we will organize your entire trip. So in your trip, there can be booking of the hotel, there can be booking for the bus, or maybe from for any traveling purpose you are booking the cab or the any bike. So all these services are together provided by Make My Trip. So this model is under the catalog merchant model. Next is click and mortar. Click and mortar means both online and store. Both online means it is a company who will sell their product online as well as on the website also. These days, I think almost every company is having their own websites. Like if you consider one example, Sugar is one brand, that is the yes, Walmart is also example. Walmart is having their online store also, and the that is offline store also, right? So that is also a good example. Then Bitvendor. Bitvendor is the pure digital supplier. So if we have exclusively our business online, so that will be under the category of pure digital supplier. Like we can cover here example of iTunes, who are providing the various songs or the audio clips on a digital platform only. So this is the first model we covered, that is the merchant model, under under which there will be one company who is selling their product through the internet media directly to final customer. And subcategories can be virtual merchant, catalog merchant, it can be the click and mortar, and the last one is the Bitvendor. Now we will have look on various examples, like you can see Flipkart, Amazon, and eCart, then Google Play, Prime Video, Netflix. All these are what they are doing e-business under the which model? Merchant model. Now let's move to the next model, that is the community model. An e-business model in which different user communities share their data, information, opinion, photo using website. So different people from the different communities, they are sharing one common platform to share data, opinion, photo. That platform is known as, that is categorized under the community model. Like you can take the example of Facebook, you can take example of Twitter, where we have one common platform where the user, he or she is sharing their daily information. Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, that is also under the same category. Yes, we cannot forget about the Wikipedia also, which is a good platform which is sharing information with their clients. If you are searching something on Google, it means we are the users, we are the clients. So they are providing us one common platform where you can share the information. Feasibility of these site depends mainly on the user loyalty. So if you are loyal, if you are regularly checking a particular thing, it means that will be more popular. Similarly, like if you search something on YouTube and one particular video, if it is having good response, if it is having good views, then that particular video will become trending one. It means, what is the meaning of trending video? It means the whenever another user will search the same information, then YouTube is going to show that particular video on the top. So loyalty of the customer directly link with the feasibility of that particular site. And yes, hashtag trending hashtag is also a good example in case of the Twitter. So if you have particular hashtag, like these days we have Kisan Morcha as one of the hashtag against the that farmer bill. So that is one hashtag. Whenever you will search any information on the Twitter related to farmer, then ultimately that is going to show all farm bill 2020 hashtag related information on the top. Done. Next we have, such business model earn money through the advertising. Now you will say how the person who is sharing the information is going to earn, because nobody is going to work hard on a particular video until or unless he is not going to have any monetary benefit. So monetary benefit is what? Earning money. So how he will earn the money? Usually you will see that whenever we are watching any video on the YouTube, there is always few ads in between the video. So that ads are created by the content developer to earn the money. You have to monetize each and every video, only then you will earn money from that video. There can be voluntary donations also, which will earn some money. The type of business in this category are open source model, public broadcasting, knowledge network. Open source model means anybody can search your information. Like on the YouTube, anybody can search the information. But now these days YouTube is also providing the subscription option. So if you will subscribe YouTube by paying a particular amount for a year, then they are not going to play any ad, right? So that will become your ad free YouTube. Then public broadcasting means a platform where you will share any information, it will be reached to the large public at a large. For example, in case of Twitter, if you tweet something, then anybody can check that particular information. On Instagram, what you have, if you are uploading any image, then only those person who are your followers, to whom you are following, and with whom you are sharing on the Instagram, only they can check the information, they can see the images. But we have platform like Twitter where anybody can check your information. Then the last one is the knowledge networks. Knowledge network means you are just providing the information, knowledge. Here Wikipedia is one of the good example. Okay, so let's move to the third model, that is the subscription model. So under the subscription model, what you have to do, you have to subscribe particular channel, you have to subscribe a particular service provider. Only then you will get service from that business. For example, Netflix, Amazon Prime, you have to take the subscription. G5, then Woot, all these companies, they are following the subscription model. An e-business in which the e-business organization charges the user for using their services, they will charge something. Business organization can charge on daily basis, monthly basis, as well as on annual basis. Of course, the payment will vary. If you are subscribing anything on annual basis, then the payment charges are less. Like in case of Amazon Prime, they charge 1000 rupees for annual subscription, right? There we have two categories. One is the content service model, second is the internet service provider. Here we have a look on this image. You will see here we have the example of Netflix. So this is business standard digital, where 1 month plus free 1 month access is provided. It means you will pay subscription for 1 month and 1 month free service will be provided by the company. So I hope you people are aware of number of example. Alt Balaji is also example. There are number of example. It is really trending these days, where companies are asking for the subscription and only then you will get the services from company. Then we will move to the next category, that is the advertising model. So as the name suggests, advertisement. So these are the companies who will help another companies to do the business by providing the advertising platform like Google Ads. So Google Ad is a company which provide you facility where you can fix ad during your video or during your content. Sometime we search blogs also, so in between blog also they will reflect few ads. So the major role of these company is providing the traffic to a particular website. Extension of the traditional media broadcast. So under traditional media, they provide the information specific to the particular product. These advertising companies who are under the advertising model, they are also doing same. They are providing the information regarding the product and the service. They generate good web traffic along with the advertisement, which generate the revenue. It can offer free email chat service also. Various subtypes are included like portal, classified, contextual advertising based on the search engine, content target advertisement. So on the basis of scope of services provided by the company, we can categorize this model into the subpart. Then next category we have, that is the brokerage model. Brokers. Who are the broker? They are the middleman. Middleman, the major role of middleman is to provide services to buyer as well as to the seller. So under this model, we have the company who bring buyer and seller organization together on the web. Broker, the company that will get the commission on every sale transaction. The formula for fee may vary from business to business. So two companies, they have to mutually decide that what will be the brokerage fee. accordingly they will do the transaction. We have number of example in this category also. First is buyer and seller, where there will be a simple transaction through the broker. Second is a marketplace exchange. Exchange means exchange of information. Here in this category we include the various search agents like Trivago is there, Policy Bazaar is there. Virtual market like we have Share Khan, Zero DHA. We have in this category No Broker is the website which act as the broker, or you can say middleman, in case of selling the property. So it is basically real estate site, right? Then we have auction broker. eBay is also a good example in the category of auction broker. So brokerage model where there will be two parties who will come together through the help of a particular company who will act as a broker. I hope you will like this video. We are still left with few points, like I have to cover manufacturer model, utility model, but otherwise this video will be very lengthy one. So I will cover the rest of the model in the coming video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe Commerce Point. Thank you everyone. Stay connected.